In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an image from Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner in the realm of graphic design, this easy to follow guide will help you seamlessly download your creations. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to canva.com where all the magic begins. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that by clicking the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Canva offers multiple ways to sign in, so feel free to choose the one that suits you best, be it through Google, Facebook, or your email. Once you're logged in, your next step is to select the project you wish to export. Navigate through your dashboard and find the design you've been working on or wish to download. It's always a great experience seeing all your projects in one place. With your project open, you'll see the Canva editor menu bar above your design. Look to the top right corner and click on Share. This is your gateway to exporting your work. A drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll select Download to proceed. In the Download section you'll find options for different file types. Whether you need a high resolution image for printing or a smaller file for online use, Canva has got you covered. Choose the format that best fits your needs. JPEG and PNG are popular choices for images, whereas PDF might be perfect for documents. If your design contains multiple pages or elements, take a moment to select precisely what you want to download. Utilize the drop down to pick specific pages, and then click Done to confirm your selections. Now, it's time for the exciting part. Click the Download button. If your design contains premium elements, a little extra step is needed. You'll spot a More icon beside where it mentions trying Canva Pro or Teams for free. Click this icon and then select Purchase Pro Content License. You'll then be guided to choose your preferred payment method. Simply click Pay and Download, and your premium design will shortly be available for use. Once your file is downloaded, check your device's designated download folder. Your beautiful creation should be saved and ready for use. And there you have it, your image exported from Canva with ease. This process opens up endless possibilities for sharing your work with the world, whether it's for personal enjoyment, professional purposes, or anywhere in between. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.